Welcome to our walkthrough tour of 513 Banyan Court. This home feels as comfortable and inviting as it looks. Just 2 years old, this all-brick one-story home is 2,500 square feet, features 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, formal dining, and spacious open concept living room. If you like to entertain, you'll appreciate the bar height seating, separate island seating, and breakfast area with bench seating. I do love this floor plan. It's the Magnolia B. Guest bedrooms 1 and 2 share a bath and are very nicely separated from guest bedroom 3, which has its own private bath and walk-in closet. The master suite has an enormous closet of its own and ensuite bath with all the designer touches, a 4x6 walk-in shower, and separate garden tub. 6-foot full-view French doors lead us outside. This looks like a great place to relax. There's a spacious deck, plumbed for your gas grill with cable railing and your very own shed. The property line on this almost half-acre lot extends beyond the grass and backs up to the woods. Let us know if you have other questions or would like to see it in person. 513 Banyan Court.